Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello students, welcome to Maths online class. Now today we will discuss prove that question sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. Important formula and derivation also important for 2 marks. 2 marks important. Formula important, you should know what is sin 2x. Sin 2x answer is 2 sin x into cos x and derivation or proof of this is important. So now I will take answer. So I will take LHS side. So LHS side is what? It is sin 2x. Sin 2x. How we proved cos 2x in previous class? Cos 2x, so first derivation, that is cos square x minus sin square x, is it right? How we proved this derivation? That derivation we proved by splitting 2x as x plus x, right? So same way here also sin 2x, so first split that 2x as x plus x, 2x as x plus x. So now it is in the form of sin x plus y, right? Sin x plus y. So which formula we can use here? It is sin x plus y. What is your sin x plus y? Sin x plus y is. So I will write here using now sin x plus y. So sin x plus y, the formula is sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. So this is your formula, right? So now I need sin x plus x. That means in sin x plus y, replace y as equal to x. So now, yes, sin 2x is equal to, sin 2x is equal to sin x plus x, means sin x cos y. So y in the place of it is x, so it is cos x plus cos x sin y, in the place of y it is x, correct now? So use formula sin x plus y. Now here we got sin 2x is equal to sin x cos x plus cos x sin x. See here. So what is your first term? Sin x into cos x. Second term is cos x into sin x. Now I will give one example. AB plus BA. What is the answer of this one? AB plus BA. Are both the same here? Yes, both are same. So we can write it as 2AB. Is it right? 2AB. Correct now? AB plus BA. So both are same. So it is, we can write as 2 times AB. So similarly here, sin x into cos x plus cos x into sin x. Can you write this as sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x? Yes, can you write? Say that AB plus BA is equal to what? 2AB. So similarly sin x into cos x plus cos x into sin x is 2 times sin x into cos x. Is this answer? Yes, which is equal to RHS side. So therefore LHS side is equal to RHS side, hence proved. LHS side is equal to RHS side, hence proved. So important, formula important and derivation important for 2 marks. Now next important formula, derivation important for 2 marks. Important for 2 marks. What is sin 2x? Sin 2x, one more formula is 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. 1 plus tan square x. In cos 2x formula also there was this one, that is cos 2x is equal to 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Is it right? Yes, right. So how we proved this one? We proved the basic formula of cos 2x. What is your basic formula of cos 2x? That is cos square x minus sin square x. Correct, no? So by using this formula we proved this. How we proved this one? So we wrote this cos square x, that is cos 2x, cos square x minus sin square x divided by 1. Next we replaced 1 as sin square x plus cos square x. Next I divided by the respective, that is cos square x. Correct, no? So same way here also proceed. So how it is? I'll take LHS side. So LHS side or using the formula. So using formula, answer is using the formula. Using which one? It is sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. Your first formula of sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x. See, answer I need as divide. Answer I need as 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x, right? So this you should write in terms of divide. So sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x divided by 1. Is it right? So in the previous class also I wrote cos square x minus sin square x as next step is cos square x minus sin square x divided by 1. Correct, no? I told in previous class 2 we can write it as 2 by 1. Both are same. 100 is equal to, we can write as 100 divided by 1. 100 divided by 1, the answer is 100 itself. So 100 we can write like this. But we can't write 100 is equal to 1 divided by 100. Is this equal? No, these are not equal. Understood? No difference? 2 we can write as 2 divided by 1. 100 we can write as 100 divided by 1, but we can't write as 1 divided by 100. 1 divided by 100 is 0.01, right? That is different. So now here, so by using that concept, I am writing this 2 sin x into cos x divided by 1 because answer I need as numerator by denominator. Now how to write this one? How we wrote in the cos 2x derivation? We use the identity sin and cos. What is your identity of that sin and cos? So sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x divided by, now 1 can be written as by using identity, that is sin square x plus cos square x. Sin square x plus cos square x, that is identity. So I will write here using sin square x plus cos square x, that is equal to 1. That is equal to 1. Now next, in that derivation we divided by cos square x. So now is it possible to divide here cos square x or sin square x? That we will see. So that depends on the answer. So sin 2x is equal to, or before that you should divide, right? You should divide. Yes, so what to divide? Sin or cos? Sin square or cos square? Easy to identify. See here, denominator is 1 plus tan square x. 1 plus tan square x. Tan means what? Tan square means what? Sin square divided by cos square, right? See the denominator of this one. It is sin square x plus cos square x. By this, by dividing something, can you get 1 plus tan square x? Yes, you can, because here is sin square x. Sin square x, for this if I divide cos square x, the answer is tan square x. So if I divide to one term means you have to divide to the whole terms, right? Means for this also you have to divide cos square x. So cos square x divided is 1. So we will get the denominator. So what to do here? Divide. What to divide? Divide cos square x. Divide cos square x to numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator. So divide cos square x to numerator and denominator. Okay. Now next divide it. So while dividing, sin 2x is equal to, now divide for numerator. So 2 sin x into cos x divided by cos square x whole divided by sin 2x whole divided by, for this divide by cos square x, for this divide by cos square x. So that is sin square x divided by cos square x plus cos square x divided by cos square x. Right now? So for numerator and denominator, divide by cos square x. How to identify to divide by cos square x only? By seeing here denominator. I need 1 plus tan square x. So by seeing or by comparing this way. So now next is sin 2x. Sin 2x is equal to, see here, 2 sin x into cos x divided by cos square x. So can you cancel 1 cos x with this 1 cos x? Yes, you can cancel. So what is left in numerator? 2 sin x divided by cos x, because cos square x means cos x into cos x. So 1 cos x is cancelled with this cos x, remaining is 1 cos x. So numerator answer is 2 sin x divided by cos x. Now sin square divided by cos square, already you know that it is tan square x. Sin square x divided by cos square x is tan square x plus cos square x divided by cos square x is 1. So now sin 2x is equal to, sin 2x is equal to 2 into sin x divided by cos x. What is sin x divided by cos x? It is tan x divided by tan square x plus 1. Already I told this, what answer we need is 1 plus tan square x. Just rearrange that, sin 2x is equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Already I told in yesterday's class, in previous class, 2 plus 3 it is equal to 5, or this we can write as 3 plus 2, both are same. 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2, the answer will be same. Similarly, tan square x plus 1 and 1 plus tan square both are same. So this is your answer, hence it is proved. Hence proved. The formula is important and derivation important for 2 marks. Yes, now what are 2 formulas related to sin 2x? So first formula is sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x. Next, second formula of sin 2x is 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Now next important question, formula and proof. So prove that tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. So important formula and proof is important for 2 marks. Now how to prove this LHS side? So LHS side is what? Tan 2x. Same as proof of sin 2x and cos 2x. How we proved cos 2x in the beginning? Cos 2x we proved by splitting 2x as x plus x, right? Sin 2x have we derived or have we proved? Again same, that's 2x we split it as x plus x, correct no? So same way here also tan 2x. How to start this? By using or by splitting this tan 2x as x plus x. Tan x plus x is what? 2x. Now which formula we can use here? Tan x plus y. Cos 2x proof, which formula we use? Cos 2x, we split it as cos x plus x. So here we use the formula cos x plus y. Now next is sin 2x. How we proved? By splitting this as sin x plus x, right? So after that which formula we use? It is sin x plus y. So this is in the form of sin x plus y formula. So that's why we use the sin x plus y. So this is in the form of cos x plus y formula. That's why we use cos x plus y. So now for this one tan 2x, this is in the form of tan x plus y. In the form of tan x plus y. So now using the formula, which formula it is? Tan x plus y. You know what is the formula for tan x plus y? So tan x plus y formula is tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y, right? Now how we apply this formula to this one? By replacing y as x, correct no? By replacing y as x. So now tan 2x is equal to get proof of all this, you should know the 4 basic or 6 sum and difference angle formulas. What are those sum and difference angle formulas you should know? Cos x plus y is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Next is cos x minus y. So first formula you should know is cos x plus y. Without knowing this one, you can't simplify any problem in trigonometry. So now cos x plus y is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So next important formula you should know is cos x minus y. Cos x minus y is what? Cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Now next important formula is what? Sin x plus y. So what is the formula of sin x plus y? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Now sin of x minus y, which formula? Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Now next is important tan x plus y. What is the formula? Tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. So now next one is tan x minus y. So tan x minus y is what? Tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x into tan y. You must know at least these 6 formulas, sum and difference angle. So now I am applying this formula tan x plus y. Yes, now what is the formula? Tan x. If it is tan x plus y, the formula is tan x plus tan y. If it is tan x plus x, what is the answer? Tan x plus tan x. So this is t, this is plus. tan x plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Tan y means what it is? It is tan x. It is tan x. So now tan 2x is equal to tan 2x is equal to, yes, numerator, what is your answer? Tan x plus tan x, a plus a. A plus a is how much here? It is 2a. A plus a is 2a. A into a is what? A square. Correct? No? See the difference? A plus a is 2a. A into a is a square. So similarly, tan x plus tan x, while reading only you can understand whether to multiply or whether to add. So tan x plus tan x means how much it is? It is 2 tan x. It is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan x into tan x. A into a is a square. So tan x into tan x. So tan x into tan x is tan square x. Tan square x. Is it answer? Yes. 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Hence it is proved. Hence proved. So important formula and proof also important for 2 marks. I wrote here. So in the notes you should mark important and 2 for each question. For whatever questions I wrote important and mark, you must write that mark and important question. Okay? Yes. Now next question, very important question, proof, very important for 3 marks. 3 marks. Formula important and question also important. That is proof is important. So what is your question? Question is prove that sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. What is the formula? Sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Now how to prove this one? I'll take LHS side. So LHS side is what it is? Sin 3x. Sin 3x. Now split this 3x. Split this 3x. How we split it 2x? We split it the 2x as x plus x, right? So now here 3x split it as sin 2x plus x. Is it right? Yes. 2x plus x is equal to 3x. That you know, right? So 2x plus x. 2x plus x means it is 1. Both are same sign means addition. So 2 plus 1 is it is 3x. So I am splitting that 3x as 2x plus x. Now here which formula you can apply? Can you guess this? Which formula you can apply? See the form. It is in the form of, read it, then you can understand. So which formula to apply? It is in the form of, see, sin 2x plus x means sin x plus y, right? It is in the form of sin x plus y. So means which formula? It is using, the formula is sin x plus y. The formula is sin x plus y. What is your formula? It is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So your formula is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So now which is equal to sin 3x, which is equal to now sin x means what? X is 2x. Y is what? X. So now apply sin, what is the value of x? x is. Otherwise I'll write here, where to write? I'll write here. Here x is equal to 2x and y is equal to x. This is not necessary, okay. So now sin 3x is equal to, it is equal to, now apply, it is sin x plus 1. X plus y is sin x cos y. But x is what? X is 2x. What is y? Y is x. So formula is sin x. Is it replacing x as same? No. X is 2x sin 2x cos y. Y means what is the y? Y is equal to x. So sin 2x into cos x. Clear this first substitution? Plus cos x sin y. So now replace it. Cos x is what? 2x and sin y is what? X. So this is substitution of a formula. So if it is sin x plus y, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. But here it is sin 2x plus x, means x is 2x, y is x. So replace x as 2x, y as x, plus x as 2x, y as x. Clear? Yes. Now sin 3x is equal to, in this you can apply some formula what we derived for 2 marks. Can you imagine which formula we can apply? So this one, first read this. Sin 2x, first one is sin 2x into cos x. Sin 2x into cos x. By this you can understand the formula. Which formula you can apply? Sin 2x, right? Sin 2x. So sin 2x, we have two formulas. What are those formulas? Sin 2x, there are two formulas. One is 2 sin x into cos x. Is it right? The formula of sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x. Now one more formula you have related to sin 2x, that is 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. So now you will get confusion. Which formula to apply here? Is that first one or second one? That depending on the answer. In answer, which trigonometric function I need? Sin x. Sin x. Sin cube x means it is sin x. So means answer we need is sin x. So is it necessary to apply this tan x? No. This formula we can't apply according to our answer. So then which formula we are going to apply? This is 2 sin x into cos x. So replace sin 2x as 2 sin x into cos x. So this bracket into cos x. So how to read? Sin 2x into cos x. Sin 2x is this answer into cos x. Clear this? This is substitution. Yes, sin 2x, the formula is 2 sin x into cos x, and this cos x as it is. Very important derivation. Plus, now read this part. Cos 2x into sin x. It is cos 2x into sin x. Can you understand which formula we can apply here? Yes, which formula it is? Cos 2x. But there are 4 formulas for cos 2x, right? Which are those 4 formulas? Cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. This is one formula. Next is cos 2x is, I'll write all those formulas. Next I'll select which is possible here. Cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. So one more formula is cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x. And one more is cos 2x is, it is tan. 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x, right? See, here there are 4 formulas are there. So which formula to apply for that one? Which formula to apply? See the answer and just imagine which formula we can apply here. I need as what? 3 sin x into sin, right? Means I need only sin function. Now from here these formulas, is there any sin function formulas? See, cos 2x is cos square x sin square x. So here is sin square but one more cos square. So we'll select the best one. Which one is? 2 cos square. Cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. This is only the function is cos function. Is it applicable here? No. You can apply this, but if you apply this one, it takes more steps to get your final answer. Okay. You can apply this formula, you can apply this formula. Okay. But these two, it takes more time. Because I need sin function, but here we get cos function is, you should convert this cos function again to sin function. So avoid that converting, understood no? So cos function, so try to avoid that. So this is also 2 cos square x, delete that. We have one more option, that is sin. Cos 2x is what? 1 minus 2 sin square x. Is this applicable here? Yes, because this is only sine trigonometric function. Answer also we need only sine trigonometric function. Is it necessary? No, that is tan, related to tan function, that is not necessary. So now out of those 4, so how to select the formula? The formula is the third one. How? Why I am selecting that third one? Because of answer. Clear now? How to select the formula? Because of answer. So now I am writing cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x into sin x. Correct no? Cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x and this is sin x as it is. Yes, now next continuation sin 3x, otherwise I will write here using. Which formula I used? Using. So sin 2x formula I use. Sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x. Next cos 2x I use formula is 1 minus 2 sin square x. 1 minus 2 sin square x. I use those formulas. So now next is yes, now simplification. So it is sin 3x is equal to sin 3x. See that first function. First function is what? First function is 2 sin x. See, read it. 2 into sin x into cos x into cos x means multiplication. 2 into sin x into cos x into cos x. Suppose if it is, suppose if it is A into B into A into 2. So what is your answer? Same format. I change this as A and B. What is your format? 2 into A into B into A. What will be your answer? This A into A is A square. Correct no? So we can write as 2 into B into A square. Right? So A into A is A square. So this B and this one is E2. Right? Same way now here. Say this. 2 into sin x into cos x into cos x. So cos x into cos x is what? Cos square x. So that changes as it is 2 sin x into cos square x. Is it right? Understood? 2 into sin x, cos x into cos x is cos square x plus. Now see here, how to read? It is 1 minus 2 sine square x into sine x. So this sine x is multiplied to this bracket, correct no? So you must multiply this sine x. You know this type of simplification. Suppose it is x minus y into a or a. How you are simplifying this? You are multiplying, right? A into x is ax minus a into y is what? Ay. Like this you are simplifying that, you know, right? Same way here also, 1 minus 2 sine square x bracket into sine x means, yeah, multiply this sine x into 1. See, this is plus outside means you have to multiply by plus sine x. So plus sine x into the sine is plus. So it is plus sine x, correct no? Sine x. Now next see here. Next sine x into minus 2 sine square. Sine x into minus 2 sine square. So I'll write here it is minus 2 sine square x into sine x. Is it right? The multiplication. Suppose it is minus 2a square into a. What will be your answer? Minus 2a square into a. What will be your answer? It is minus 2a square into a. A square into a is how much it is? A cube. A into a is a square. A square into a is a cube, right? So same way here it is minus 2 sine square x into sine x and this plus. So plus into minus is minus. Now sine x into this 2 sine square x. Sine square x into sine x is sine cube x. It is 2 sine cube x. Q sine cube x. So sorry, minus 2 sine cube x. Is this clear? The simplification? Yes. Now see the answer. Answer is sine x and sine cube x. Only I need sine. So but here numbers, don't worry about that. It is 2 sine x means sine function that I need. Next here is a cos square. I don't want this cos square. So how to remove that cos square? Cos square should be converted in terms of a sine function. Cos function should be converted in terms of a sine function. How to convert? You know the relation of cos square x. Cos square x is equal to what? 1 minus sine square. So use it. So sine 3x is equal to 2 sine x. So now I don't want this cos square. In the place of cos square I need sine. So I am writing as 1 minus sine square x. That is your identity. Plus, is this necessary of changing? No. Sine function we need, it is sine x minus 2 sine cube x. Is this necessary? No. This I need. So it is 2 sine cube x. Now again it is 2 sine x into 1 minus. So 2 sine x into 1 minus bracket. So multiplication. Sine 3x is equal to multiply this 2 sine x. 2 sine x into 1 is 2 sine x. Next this 2 sine x into sine square. So this is plus, minus is minus. 2 sine x into sine square x is 2 sine cube x. 2 sine x into sine square. I showed it is. It is equal. Sine x into sine square is sine cube x. Plus sine x minus 2 sine cube x. Sine x minus 2 sine cube x. Now collect the like terms. 2 sine x, this one, and plus sine x. Together how much? It is 3 sine x. Correct, no? 2 sine x plus sine x means it is 1 sine x. It is 3 sine x. Now sin cube x, minus 2 sin cube x, minus 2 sin cube x is minus 4 sin cube x. Minus 4 sin cube x. Is this answer? Yes, it is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Hence it is proved. Hence proved. So this is answer, an important derivation for 3 marks. Formula also important. Yes, thank you. Now today we will prove that cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. Important question for 2 marks. 2 marks important question. This is formula. So you should know the formula. What is cos 2x? Cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. Now how to prove this cos square x or cos 2x? Now take LHS side. So what is your LHS side? LHS side is cos 2x, right? Cos 2x. So now I'll write this 2x as, it is cos x plus x. Is it right? I am writing this 2x as x plus x. X plus x is how much here? 2x here. X plus x means how much it is? 2x. So 2x I am splitting as it is x plus x. So now next that is equal to now cos x plus x. So now which formula you can use here? You can use cos x plus y. So cos x plus y. The formula is what? It is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So now while replacing this, the formula is cos x plus y. So it is cos x cos y. So what is the y? Y is x again, right? X plus y. So x means x, y is x. So cos x cos y, y is what? X minus sin x sin y. Sin y, y is what? It is x. So that is cos 2x. That is cos 2x. So now cos 2x is equal to before that I'll write formula. So which formula we used? Using cos x plus y. Cos x plus y, which is equal to what? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So this formula I used. So in this formula I replaced y as x. Y as x. So sin y as x. Now next is cos 2x is equal to see here, cos x into cos x. Cos x into cos x. What is the value of a into a? What is the value of a into a? It is a square. Correct, no? A into a is a square. So similarly, what is the value of x into x? What is the value of x into x? It is x square. So same way, can you say what is the value of cos x into cos x? Cos x into cos x is cos square x. Cos x into cos x is cos square x minus sin x into sin x. Sin x into sin x is sin square x. Sin square x. So now what is the formula? So cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x, and hence it is proved. Hence proved, which is equal to RHS side. So therefore LHS side is equal to RHS side, and hence it is proved. Hence it is proved. So now one more important note. So while writing this, sin x into sin x. Sin x into sin x is what? Sin square x, right? It is sin square x. Or this we can write as what? Sin x whole square. Both are correct. Either you can write sin square x or sin x whole square. But you can't write like this, sin x square. This is the wrong way of writing sin x into sin x. Sin x into sin x, you can't write as sin x square. This is the wrong way. Either you can write sin square x or sin x whole square. Sin x whole square. Here also cos x into cos x is cos square x, not cos x square. Sin x into sin x is sin square x. So hence it is proved. So important for 2 marks. The next question, prove that cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. This is also formula. So first formula is cos 2x is what? It is cos square x minus sin square x. We proved, right? Cos square x minus sin square x. You should know this formula. Now next one is cos 2x is equal to, it is 2 cos square x minus 1. This is also very important formula. Cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. Now we will see how to prove this formula. So now first important for 2 marks. 2 marks important. First I will take LHS side. So what is our LHS side? LHS side is cos 2x. Cos 2x. So now how we proved this one? Cos 2x we proved cos square x minus sin square x. Already you know the formula of that. So now using that formula, that means first formula cos square x minus sin square x, you can prove this formula. Okay. So using that formula, you can use this formula. So now here we know that, say first answer. So we know that which formula we are using? We are using this one, that is cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. That means by using this formula, that is first formula, we are going to prove this cos 2x as 2 cos square x minus 1. Now how to get 2 cos square x minus 1? So cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. See, I need is cos square x minus 1. That means in answer I don't want sin square. But here it is sin square x. How to remove this sin square x? By using identity we can remove this sin square. So see here cos square x minus sin square, what is the identity related to this? It is 1 minus cos square x. Sin square x is 1 minus cos square x. Understood? No? Because I need is cos square. I don't want the sin square. See the relation between sin square and cos square. There is a relation, that is sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So I am writing sin square as 1 minus cos square x, that is the identity. So that is equal to cos 2x is equal to, it is cos square x. Now multiply this. Minus into 1 is minus 1. Correct? No? Minus into 1 is minus 1. So now next multiply this minus. Minus into minus is plus, it is cos square x. Plus cos square x. So cos 2x is equal to, see, cos square x plus cos square x. cos square x plus cos square x is how much it is? 2 cos square x. Cos square x plus cos square x is 2 cos square x minus 1. 2 cos square x minus 1. Is this equal to proof? Yes, which is equal to proof. Therefore, hence proved. Hence proved, which is important for 2 marks. Understood now? How we are going to prove this one? By using your previous result, that is cos square x minus sin square x. This is the formula you know. So, in this just replacing sin square as 1 minus cos square x, that is using identity. Next is simplification. The next question, prove that cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. This is one more formula, important. So, it is cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. So, now how to prove this one? Again same as the previous. So, now using, so you know that cos 2x is, which is your cos 2x formula? This one, cos square x minus sin square x. So, now use it. So, cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. Cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. So, now cos 2x is equal to, see the answer. Answer is 1 minus 2 sin square x. 1 minus 2 sin square x means in answer I need only sin square. Right? So, this is cos square x minus sin square x. So, I don't want this cos square. So, how to replace this cos square x? Cos square x can be written as 1 minus sin square x. Cos square x can be written as 1 minus sin square x, that is by using identity. So, minus sin square x minus sin square x. So, that is cos 2x is equal to 1 minus sin square x minus sin square x. 1 minus sin square x minus sin square x. So, now cos 2x is equal to 1. See here, minus sin square x minus sin square x. So, minus 1 and minus 1 is how much here? Minus 1 minus 1. Answer is minus 2, right? So, minus a minus a. Answer is minus 2a. So, similarly, so minus sin square x minus sin square x is minus 2 sin square x. Minus 2 sin square x, which is equal to this one? Yes. And hence, it is proved. Hence, it is proved. Important for 2 marks. Important 2 marks. Formula important and proof also important. So, now next we will discuss, prove that cos 2x is equal to 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. This is also formula. So, cos 2x formula is 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. So, formula and now proof is important for 2 marks. So, now take your LHS side or answer. So, again to prove this, how we proved this 2 cos square x minus 1? By proving or by using this one. How we proved the second formula? Again by using this formula. How we proved that cos 2x? Again we will prove this cos 2x by using same previous formula. That is by using cos 2x is equal to which formula? The first formula, cos square x minus sin square x. Cos square x minus sin square x. So, now this cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. This I will write as divided by 1. Is this equal? See here, 2 can be written as 2 divided by 1. Are both the same here? So here 2 equal to 2 by 1, or we can say that if A is there, this we can write as A divided by 1. Both values are same, right? A divided by 1 is how much here? A. So 2 divided by 1 is again how much it is? 2, right? Yes, now similarly I wrote cos square x minus sin square x, I wrote as cos square x minus sin square x divided by 1. The value will be same. Now next is cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x divided by, now here I will use identity. Which identity? Related to cos and sin. So cos and sin, the identity it is what? It is sin square x plus cos square x. Is it right? So sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Right? So now next, so I will write here using the identity sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. I use that identity. So now next cos 2x is equal to, now see here, cos square x minus sin square x divided by sin square x plus cos square x, right? So now answer what we need is 1 minus tan square x. So 1 minus tan square x. How to get here 1 and how to get here tan square? Here it is cos square, right? Here it is sin square. So how to get tan square? If it is sin square divided by cos square. Here it is cos square divided by cos square. So that means we have to divide cos square x. Divide cos square x to numerator and denominator. So now I will divide that cos square x. So cos 2x is, I divide here, cos square x divided by cos square x minus sin square x divided by cos square x whole divided by sin square x divided by cos square x plus cos square x divided by sin square, cos square x, right? So I divided by cos square because I need 1 minus tan square. I need 1 minus tan square. So how to get 1? Divide by cos square x. How to get tan square? Sin square is here. If you divide cos square, we will get as tan square. So now next continuation of that. So now next it is cos 2x is equal to cos square x divided by cos square x. What is the answer? 1 minus sin square x divided by cos square x. You know that sin x divided by cos x is tan x. So sin square x divided by cos square x is tan square x. Tan square x divided by sin square x divided by cos square x, again it is tan square x plus cos square x divided by cos square is 1. Is it answer? Yes. Because therefore cos 2x is equal to 1 minus tan square x divided by, see your answer is 1 plus tan square x. So I will write here 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3, I will write as 3 plus 2. Both are same? Yes. Why it is 2 plus 3 answer is 5. 3 plus 2 answer is what? Again 5. So 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2 answer will be same. Similarly here, I got tan square x plus 1. But in formula it is 1 plus tan square x. So I am writing 1 plus tan square x. So hence it is proved. Hence proved. Hence, it is proved. Clear? So now all these 4 proof are important. Along that, these 4 formulas are important. So should know this. So what is that? Cos 2x. Related to cos 2x, how many formulas? 4 formulas. One is cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. Cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. Cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x. Cos 2x is 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Those formulas and proof are important for exam. So, okay, thank you.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.